Hello, I am SS Patil. Today we will talk regarding India Motor Tariff Section 7 from IMT 51 to 55. These are the vehicles which are not used to carry passengers. They are examples of the vehicle which are not used to carry passengers but are modified to use for a specific purpose. They may also be used as a tool of trade like road rollers and road sweepers. They are mainly heavy duty vehicles mainly used in the process of construction to move soil and sand. Trailers of all kinds are commonly used in India to transport goods. There are also possibilities that they may be covered under contractor, plants and machinery policy. Legal liability is denied for the death and/or damage when the vehicle is used as a tool. Damage to pipes and wires are denied. Damage due to natural calamity like flood are denied. Damage due to explosion is denied. IMT 51. Insurance denies the liability in case of vehicle is used as a mobile shop or canteen for death or poisoning due to food served from the canteen or served in a defective condition. In case of mobile dispensary, loss due to surgical instrument and medical appliances. IMT 52. Exclusion of damage while in use as a tool or trade. Insurance denies the liability if the vehicle used as a tool. Example, thresher for agricultural purpose or water pump mounted on a tractor. IMT 53. Specific attachment is to be mentioned with their IDV. IMT 54. Mobile plant inclusion of liability to a public working risk where tool of trade is used only for work performed in the upon a vehicle or trailer. Insurance is not liable for any operation other than or on upon motor vehicle, any explosion of any vessel under pressure, being part attached to or forming part of a motor vehicle. Example, mixture used in construction work. IMT 55. Mobile plant inclusion of liability to the public working risk. Insurance denies the liability for the death, injury or damage due to death, injury, damage caused or resulting from subsidence, flooding or water pollution, damage to pipes or cables when the vehicle used as a tool or any attachment to vehicle. Public working risk is a third party risk of bodily injury or property damage while conducting the operation. Example, concrete mixture, water pumps, water tankers. These are some examples of vehicles which are specifically designed like vanity vans, mobile dispensary, dumpers, road rollers, bulldozers. Thank you.